Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of a to the power of s dx. We have a to the power of s over ln and I will put about c. The next one, the integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and I will put about c. Now we can apply two formula in here, and this one that is about ln of the absolute value of s. About this one, we have 3 to the power of s over ln and the next one that is about negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 1, negative number 1, negative negative, we got positive. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.